have received credible intelligence that Temba Mliswa in Shire are actively coordinating a vast protest operation targeting General Consano Chiwenga. Chabina mashikubranyo kwa pangwa ino. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina pangwa ine payendo ya retired Lieutenant General Mr. Skokima Branko Branyarachiti. Let me be unambiguous about what this is. This is not civic action. This is not spontaneous public sentiment. This is a funded, manufactured, choreographed provocation being brought by Kudata Gray using disparate paid bodies ferried in on hired buses to create a theatrical appearance of popular opposition against a decorated son of the liberation struggle. I have worn this uniform. I know the difference between a genuine grievance and a psyop dressed in civilian clothes. Moliswa, a man whose own conduct in public life is a catalogue of contradictions and overzealous candidature, who has made himself a willing instrument in factional warfare. Both know exactly what they are doing, and so does the man writing the checks. Takbirei. Hear me very clearly. You are not organizing a protest. You are poking a sleeping lion on behalf of a criminal entrepreneur who has his own survival to protect. General Chiwenga is not a political project. He is an institution. You are going too far. The alliance in the republic that, once crossed, cannot be uncrossed. I am not issuing a threat. I am issuing a warning rooted in decades of watching this country's fault lines. Those who have used crowds as weapons in Zimbabwe's political history have never emerged unscathed. Pull back. Well, you still can. Don't much kwambia toko pankwa inoi. Pena kwa section medu of ngura inyi kudipa mzuri this warning. Api wakuna mliswa na kadishaya. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.